The braided rivers that flow across Canterbury Plains are almost unique in the world. Fed by mountain rains and glacial melting, the rivers are in constant flux, and unique biodiversity has evolved to survive in this challenging environment. To the uninitiated, the river's wide gravel spaces can seem empty, but they're home to a variety of rare and unique bird species which rely on this habitat to nest, breed and raise their chicks over the summer months. The wrybill, the only bird in the world with a sideways curved beak, is one of the rare birds breeding on Canterbury's braided rivers, using its unique beak to feed on insects hiding beneath stones. Other species include banded dotterels, black-billed gulls, pied oystercatchers, black-fronted terns, pied stilts and white-fronted terns. They live a precarious existence, with the environment on which they rely also at times threatening their survival as floods sweep away everything in their paths, including the birds' nests. The birds have evolved to cope with these natural threats and will rebuild their nests on the open shingle and start again following flood events. But what they're struggling to cope with is changes to their environment caused by human interference. Changes to the rivers to allow for human settlement and the spread of weeds like lupins and broom have reduced the habitat available to the birds. And introduced predators including wildcats, stoats, ferrets and hedgehogs prey on nests, sometimes wiping out entire colonies. On top of these challenges, they can still face another threat to their survival from people out and about on riverbeds during nesting season. The birds' nests are so well camouflaged they can easily be run over by vehicles, or adult birds may be disturbed off the eggs in their nests if people unknowingly pass too close by. While the family dog might love to play in the river, it can also be a threat to these defenceless creatures. We can all do something about this simply by being aware of the birds in this space, keeping dogs close to you and under effective control, and sticking to already formed vehicle tracks during the breeding season, and obeying signs posted to alert recreational users of the danger they pose to this unique wildlife. Many of these birds are so well camouflaged that if you can see them or hear them calling, you may well already be too close. Please be mindful when you're enjoying the beauty of our rivers. We share these environments with many precious bird species, and we all have a role to play in protecting them. Please give these precious birds space.